So Chanchal was talking about the proportion of two chemicals. I'll just take simple example. If you want to make a tea, so how much sugar, how much milk, how much tea powder, and how much water you should add. Now, if you add cup of water and cup of sugar, then the tea will be so sweet. Okay? You won't be able to uh, drink it. So the proper proportion is very important. Therefore, the measurements are very important, and measurements are integral part of our life. Even though we are not knowing about the measurements, we used to measure, like for example, we start with say Stone Age or even before that. What do you call that man before Stone Age? What was it? I just forgot. The historical man. Okay. So he used to count. Okay, there are say two tigers or four deers. So we can just kill the deers and we can eat them. Okay. Something like that. So or be careful about the tigers. There are two tigers. So the counting was there. So we are starting with counting, and then we started measuring something. For example, we measure the say wheat or the jowar and all these things. Okay? So measurements are integral part of our life. We need to measure. So we need some standard. Why we need standard? Okay. There is no standard for preparing a tea. Somebody will add more milk. Will add more tea powder. There is no standard. But still, people are using drinking tea, right? Why we need measurement? Standard for the measurement. Don't go for chemistry lab only. Of course, in this class you can speak English, Hindi, Marathi. Anyone? Ashwini? What do you want to say? Ashwini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you want to say? Why we need standard of measurement?
Mm. To properly measure something or to take something in proper amount.
No, but why we need proper amount? वो तो हम ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
बाकी का वेस्ट हो जाएगा ना फिर.
नहीं, अभी देखो, जैसे अभी फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू मेक रोटीज. ओके, तो हम आटा बनाते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसके, आटा गूंथते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसमें मेजर करके थोड़े डालते हैं पानी, थोड़ा थोड़ा डालते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा डालते हैं. ठीक है, वहाँ कहाँ मेजरमेंट आए? वाई यू नीड मेजरमेंट? हाँ, कितने लोगों के लिए बनाना है दैट इज ओके, वी टेक अप्रोक्सीमेशन. वाई वी नीड लाइक 1 किलो एंड 2 किलो एंड 3 किलो, 1 liter, 2 liter. In old times there was no standard of measurement. So for example, अगर मुझे कुछ खरीदना है तो मैं बार्टर सिस्टम यूज करता था. बार्टर, यू नो बार्टर?
Yes,
सुना
sir.
है आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या होता है? क्या होता है? क्या
चीज
होता है
के बदले
barter?
चीज लेना.
हाँ, एक चीज के बदले दूसरी चीज. तो मैंने गेहूं दे दिया और शक्कर खरीद ली. ठीक है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. फिर उसमें प्रोपोर्शन क्या था? तो मैं अगर एक बोरी गेहूं देता हूँ तो मुझे शक्कर कितना मिलेगा? तो somebody was giving a small bori, somebody was giving a bigger one, and something like that. And then people were not traveling a lot that time. But when people start traveling, they understand the barter system is not so easy because it is not uniform. ठीक है, अगर आपको अगर पता होगा, महाराष्ट्र में पायली नाम का एक यूनिट था, पता है आप लोगों को पायली?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ, तो ऐसे इस टाइप का एक ये रहता है काइंड ऑफ, और उसमें आप जितना भी फॉर एग्जांपल एक ग्रेन्स आते हैं, तो वो ग्रेन्स एक पायली हो गई, ठीक है. बट द सरप्राइजिंग थिंग वाज पायली इन से नागपुर एंड पायली इन से औरंगाबाद, बोथ वे आर डिफरेंट. ओके, तो अभी भी ये कहा जाता है कि ये 2 किलो की पायली है, 1.5 किलो की पायली है, 1 किलो की पायली है, ठीक है. So even these were not uniform. Even they were called as same paili here in Nagpur also, in Aurangabad also, but they were having different measurements. Okay? So we needed the standardization of the units badly. For example, in say US, if somebody asks you what is your height, then I'll say 172. Okay? But if in India, it is something like 5 feet 10 inches. So both are same, but the units are different. So everywhere the units were different. आप देखो, आप अभी भी कपड़े खरीदते हैं, एक्सेल का मतलब कुछ अलग ही होता है, ठीक है. हर बार एक्सेल it is not always 40 centimeters. Okay? For some companies it is different, for some companies it is different. शूज का देखो आप, शूज का साइज तो आप बताते हैं 7, 6, ठीक है, 5 जो भी है, और यूएस यूके साइज इज डिफरेंट, यूके साइज इज डिफरेंट, यूएस साइज इज डिफरेंट. सो एवरीवेयर देयर वाज chaos, क्योंकि अगर एक आदमी यहाँ से वहाँ जाएगा तो देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यूनिट यू हैव यूज. अगर आप किसी यूएस के पर्सन को बोल दें कि आज यहाँ का टेम्परेचर, वर्धा का टेम्परेचर इट इज अबाउट 35, they will be shocked. It is summer and it's just 35, because he will understand 35 as 35 degree Fahrenheit, not 35 degree centigrade. Okay? So considering all these problems, the standard committee or the conference for the standards, they have created some standard units. And then you know this history, system of international units, okay, SI units. So this SI has come from which language? पढ़ा कि नहीं आप लोगों ने? कल मैंने बताया था होमवर्क. सिस्टम इंटरनेशनली, इससे पता चल जाता है ना, दिस इज फ्रेंच. ओके, तो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स ये कहा जाता है, ठीक है. Gunjan has said standard units are used to judge amount, quantity of particular substance more reliable and accurate. Very nice. And Parikshit is saying extra large. I don't know. Okay, extra large, XL. No. But that is not always 40 centimeters. For some it is 41, for some it is 39, something like that. Okay. So what are these SI units? How many SI units we have? Go ahead. You can write your answer in chat. Yeah. 7 units. And which are they?
Length, time,
Length. Okay. Let me
temperature,
write one by one. Length, time,
amount of substance,
Sir, mass.
okay, mass. So these three
Temperature.
were known from a long time, MKS system. Okay. And then temperature, then
current,
Electric current. Okay. Then,
Amount of substance.
right.
Intensity.
Luminous intensity.
Yes, luminous intensity, not only intensity, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Now, what is the standard unit of length?
Meter.
Meter. Okay. And how much is 1 meter? Now, this is quite difficult to answer. How much is 1 meter? 1 meter is 1 meter. Now, this stick of 1 meter, the standard stick of 1 meter is made up of a kind of alloy. वो आप पढ़ लेना कौन सा alloy है क्या है, ठीक है? और उसका जो स्टैंडर्ड है उसका रेप्लिका हम बनाते हैं. तो वेयर डू यू फाइंड दिस मीटर स्टिक? हाँ देखने को मिलता है आपको other than physics lab in real life. Have you seen? नहीं, मीटर स्टिक नहीं देखी आपने? 1 मीटर वाली मेटल की. आजकल रेडीमेड कपड़े खरीदते हैं ना, इसलिए नहीं देख.
क्लोथ शॉप.
हाँ, क्लॉथ शॉप पे स्पेसिफिकली आप अगर कोई क्लॉथ ले रहे हैं तो मीटर से आपको मिलता है और वो उसका रेट भी वैसे रहता है पर मीटर. ओके, so there you can find out this meter stick. Okay. Time, it is measured in second. Okay. Mass, what is the standard unit of mass?
Kilogram.
kg.
Kilogram.
Kilogram.
Now this is very important to remember that the standard unit of mass is kilogram and not gram. Okay, so that is very, very important, and this is the only unit which has the multiplier as K and standard is taken as kilogram and not gram. Temperature,
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Is it Kelvin or degree Kelvin?
Only Kelvin.
Only Kelvin, not degree Kelvin. Remember. And then electric current,
Ampere.
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 Now I am feeling like I am in classroom. Amount of substance,
Mole.
Mole.
mole. Is it right what I have written? Or it should be mole?
MOL.
पक्का?
MOL.
पक्का? ये दोनों ही incorrect है.
MOLE.
OLE.
दोनों incorrect है. दोनों incorrect है. It should be M small. Okay. When you write any unit, you have to be very, very careful about it. That you should not write something like capital M. Okay? So the complete name of the unit is mole and the short name is mole. Okay? So both are right. This is short name like ampere A. And luminous intensity. What is luminous intensity? Unit
Candela.
candela. Okay. Now this is what you know from 12th standard or 11th standard and that what you have learned yesterday. आप में से कितने लोगों ने सर्च किया था इसके बारे में? Just raise your hand. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. I like it. Very nice. Okay. You can lower your hand. Okay. That's quite good. Now the important thing is you know about meter, you know about second, you know about kilogram. How about temperature? Normally, what unit you use for temperature?
Degree
Start with
Celsius.
them.
Degree
Yes.
Celsius.
We normally use degree Celsius. What is the temperature today? 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. But occasionally we use the Fahrenheit also. We means Indians. Occasionally. For very specific purpose. What is that specific purpose?
For measuring
after.
the temperature of body.
Yes. Normally we talk about fever. So 102 degree Fahrenheit. Normally people, even those who don't know about Fahrenheit, they will say अरे टेम्परेचर है उसको बहुत है, 2 टेम्परेचर आया, 2 मतलब 102, ठीक है. So there only we use the Fahrenheit. Then what is the use of all these units, Kelvin and all these things? Where do you use Kelvin? तो बताता है कि आज का टेम्परेचर वर्धा का 304 केल्विन है. किसी चैनल पे सुना है?
नो सर.
अभी तक नहीं, अभी तक नहीं, नेवर. It is because sometimes it is much easier for us to understand the unit. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट समटाइम्स. अगर आपको मैं ये बोलूँ कि आपके ऑलमोस्ट सबके पास एक कोई ना कोई तो गाड़ी होगी, उसमें आप हवा भरते हैं, कितना
Yes,
भरते हैं, कितना भरते हैं?
25, 35.
क्या
45.
किलो?
40.
लीटर किलो मीटर क्या भरते
पास्कल
हैं?
प्रेशर. पास्कल प्रेशर.
पास्कल? आर यू श्योर अबाउट पास्कल? उस पे क्या लिखा होता है? प्रेशर वाला जो मीटर होता है ना, उस पे क्या लिखा होता है?
न्यूटन मीटर.
चलो मैं इसको आपके लिए होमवर्क के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ. टुमारो जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट. व्हाट इज द प्रेशर, व्हाट इज यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर फॉर योर व्हीकल. आप में से कितने लोग बस से ट्रैवल करते या करते थे? ओके, कुंजन एंड सुयश. ओके, परीक्षित, ऋषभ, अर्पित, क्वाइट गुड. जो ड्राइवर जहाँ से एंट्री करता है ना, वहाँ पे एक यूनिट लिखा रहता है. तो अगर आपको एक्सेस है बस का, तो जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट यूनिट फॉर द बस टायर. यू कैन टेल मी टुमारो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, देयर इज नो हरी. और इसके लिए मत जाना. अगर आप बाय चांस जाते हैं या कोई बस दिख जाती है तो उसको पूछ लेना, ठीक है. तो विल जस्ट कीप दिस क्वेश्चन aside. So sometimes it is much easier for us to understand the basic unit, whatever we are using, and therefore we don't use the Kelvin in general life, even though it is a standard unit. Okay? So we normally use it for scientific purpose only, wherever we use the calculation. So any doubt for the temperature? By the way, temperature is vector quantity or scalar quantity?
Scalar.
Sure?
Yes, sir. Scalar.
आपने ये पढ़ा कि ग्रेडियंट पढ़ा है अभी तक? नहीं, ठीक है. मे बी इन फ्यूचर विल यूज दिस. ओके, PSI. Rushav has said PSI, and that is quite correct. What is the long form of PSI? Police Sub Inspector.
Pounds per square inch.
Very nice. Pounds per square inch. Pound मतलब कितना? Pound क्या है?
पाउंड सर वेट का है सर यूनिट.
Yeah, very nice. So this is not a standard unit basically, right? The standard
Yes,
unit
sir.
should be kilogram per meter square, but we don't use it. We don't use it because it is out of our understanding. हमें समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि किलोग्राम पर मीटर स्क्वायर का क्या मतलब है. तो we are using it from long time, PSI. So whatever the pressure that you have in your vehicle, like 25 to 32, whatever it may be, that is in PSI. That means 25 pounds per square inch. मतलब एक छोटा इंच जो है 1 इंच बाय 1 इंच, 1 इंच कितना होता है? तू बता सकता है कितना होता है?
सर 1.5 सेंटीमीटर.
2.5 सेंटीमीटर.
2.5 सेंटीमीटर, ये इतना, ठीक है. या आपकी उंगली होती है ना, उसका एक 1/3 पार्ट जो है छोटा सा, इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 इंच। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको मान लो कि किचन में वो बोलते हैं ना कि 1 इंच का अदरक ले लो, या इतना ले लो। ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया। दैट इज व्हाट द रियल लाइफ साइंस इज। ठीक है, सो दैट इफ यू टेक दिस मच स्पेस फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, ऐसे आप एक उंगली को दूसरी उंगली लगा के जो भी स्पेस आती है, उतने पे कितना प्रेशर है, कितना वेट है, वो है 25 पाउंड। इस पे 25 पाउंड, 25 पाउंड मतलब कितना किलो? अप्रोक्सीमेटली 12.5।
0.4.
हाँ, 0.4 का आ जाएगा। 25 पाउंड मतलब 12.5 किलो के आसपास।
Sir, I am talking about 1 pound. Sorry.
ओके, हाँ, 1 पाउंड इज ऑलमोस्ट हाफ किलो, ऑलमोस्ट। वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट अप्रोक्सीमेशन। तो मतलब 12.5 किलो का वेट 1 स्क्वायर इंच पे है। आप सोचो कि वो टायर की क्या कैपेसिटी होगी। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ठीक है, we'll talk about gradient later on. This is not part right now. We'll just skip for some time. We'll come back later on. Okay. Any doubt in temperature? Temperature में कोई doubt है आपको? नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर कितना होता है?
37 डिग्री सेल्सियस।
हाँ,
35 to 37.
30,
37
35
degree
to 35.
Celsius.
35 नहीं होता, 37 होता है। 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस, और इट इज अबाउट 97.5 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट। इससे ज़्यादा अगर हो गया तो it is considered to be a fever, and then for up to 100 it is mild, and then high fever is above 100. So we normally do not use body temperature in degree centigrade. Okay. So temperature is obviously scalar quantity. Now come to the electric current. An electric current is measured in ampere. What is 1 ampere? What is 1 ampere? कितना होता है? 1 ampere equal to, yes, so that charge is measured in 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Okay. So what is 1 coulomb? 1 coulomb मतलब कितना चार्ज होगा? How many number of electrons?
6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons.
वाह, वेरी गुड। 6.25 10 to the power 18। तो आप सोचो कि इतने सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, अगर ऐसे ये कंडक्टर है एंड दिस इज द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर क्रॉसिंग दिस एरिया, so these many electrons are crossing in 1 second, then that is a 1 ampere current. Okay, and how much current do you get at your household electricity supply? घर पे आपको कितना सप्लाई मिलता है, कितने एम्पियर का मिलता है? कुछ दिनों के बाद 2 मोबाइल लेके बैठना पड़ेगा क्या? वन इज सर्चिंग गूगल। क्या आपने बिल नहीं देखा? इलेक्ट्रिक बिल का बिल, इलेक्ट्रिक बिल पे लिखा रहता है। आपने पूछना चाहिए था। बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पढ़ा है ना आप लोगों ने? यस, नो? लेक्चर अटेंड किए थे? 240 volt is voltage. It is a voltage, of course, but I appreciate your answer because you are giving the answer. Doesn't matter it is wrong. Wrong भी हो जाए चलेगा, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, but you should answer. Ampere, we are talking about ampere. How many ampere? Yes, it is 100 to 150 ampere. Shreya says 100 to 150, and Shivam says 100 to 2 ampere, 200. Anyone else? 80 ampere. Vishnu says 80 ampere. Okay. Anyone else? 100 to 200. Payal. Anyone? नहीं, इसका मतलब है आप लोगों ने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल देखा ही नहीं. 50 to 60. कहाँ से 50 to 60? 6,000 ampere. My God. You can imagine. It's okay. You don't know, it's okay. That's a aptitude problem. You can solve it. शायद किलोवाट आवर था. किलोवाट आवर नहीं है, वो किलोवाट पर आवर नहीं है, किलोवाट आवर है, और दैट इज एक्चुअली एनर्जी. तो वो बिल में ये आता है किलोवाट आवर. 50 एम्पियर नहीं. नॉर्मली व्हाट वी गेट इज 5 एम्पियर. You have used quite a large number. नहीं, 100-200 नहीं होता है. 10 एम्पियर भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. ठीक है. 5 एम्पियर का सप्लाई रहता है हमेशा नॉर्मली. ठीक है. अनलेस इट इज 3 फेज. 3 एम्पियर यस, क्वाइट ओके. So it is somewhere around 1 ampere to 5 ampere. But normally it is said that 5 ampere. Okay. तो जो बटन होते हैं ना आपके, क्या कहते हैं उसे, स्विच. तो स्विच के ऊपर लिखा होता है ये स्विच कितना सस्टेन कर सकता है. तो स्विच पे लिखा होता है 5 एम्पियर. ठीक है. लेकिन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट गीजर और माइक्रोवेव which need very high power, then you need a separate socket, special socket. Yes, Chirayu says very rightly, and that is 16 ampere. Okay? Or it is 15 ampere or 16 ampere. In some cases it is shown as 15 ampere, in some cases it is shown as 16 ampere. Now the question is, अगर आपको घर पे 5 एम्पियर का सप्लाई मिल रहा है जो आपके बिल में लिखा है, ठीक है, एक बार बिल में देख लेना, या मीटर पे देख लेना. मीटर पे भी लिखा रहता है. ठीक है. उसको देख लेना एक बार, उसका फोटो निकाल लेना, कल आपको प्रूफ के लिए लगेगा. तो क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द 15 एम्पियर सप्लाई. 15 एम्पियर का सप्लाई कैसे मिल सकता है, या 16 एम्पियर का कैसे मिल सकता है? दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. How do you get 16 ampere? Okay, that will solve tomorrow, not now. We'll discuss tomorrow. I will give you time to learn about it. Okay. Now I will go to luminous intensity first, number 7, and then I will come back to number 6. ओके. बाय द वे, आप लोगों ने करंट मीटर देखे हैं क्या कभी? एम्पियर मीटर जिसे बोलते हैं.
यस.
एक बार गूगल पे सर्च कर लेना एम्पियर मीटर क्या होता है. ठीक है. करंट मीटर बोल सकते हो उसको. तो मिली एमीटर, माइक्रो एमीटर, एमीटर, these are the instruments which measure the current. Okay. And how much current is flowing through the circuit. So that you can see sometimes in electric lab. If you come by chance to the next month or next to next month, you will see how this current is measured. But before we finish this topic, you need to find out how much current you are getting at your home. Okay. Okay. Now luminous intensity. Have you ever seen this luminous intensity? कभी देखा है इसको मेजर करते हुए? देखा है. इसका यूनिट है कैंडल. Is it double LE? But again, this is a standard unit and we normally do not use the candela in general life. What kind of unit do you use in general life to check the luminous intensity? What is luminous intensity? First, anyone? I hope I am in the meeting.
Light.
देखा है कभी लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी? इन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है वो हैंड रेस करो, क्या आज तक मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं कि लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी कैसे मेजर करते हैं. आई हैव नेवर सीन. ओके, व्हाट इज लॉन्ग लिस्ट? आप लोग क्रिकेट नहीं देखते? अच्छा, इसमें से जितने लोग क्रिकेट देखते हैं वही सिर्फ हैंड रेस रखो, बाकी सब डाउन कर दो. यस, लक्स मीटर कहाँ पे होता है? कौन चेक करता है?
अंपायर.
क्रिकेट में अंपायर के पास एक छोटा सा एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है. और जैसे अभी ये क्लाउडी एनवायरनमेंट हो गया, द बैट्समैन सेज आई एम सॉरी, आई कांट सी द बॉल, so please check the intensity. So then umpire will take out this small meter that is called as lux meter. तो लक्स मीटर होता क्या है? बस लाइट कितना आ रहा है, कितने इंटेंसिटी है वो चेक करता है. So if the light intensity is below that particular threshold, then you will say, okay, this intensity is not good enough. If you have floodlights, just switch on the floodlights. If you don't have the floodlights, then we'll just stop here. Okay. तो शायद मैक्सिमम लोगों ने देखा हो, बहुत बार अंपायर चेक करता है व्हाट इज द लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी. सेकंडली इससे रिलेटेड कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपके मोबाइल में है क्या? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर यूजिंग आईफोन? पर्सनल नहीं होगा तो चलेगा, घर पे है किसी के पास? iPhone has this very particular app for this luminous intensity. But still, I mean, in Android also, I am also using Android. Don't worry. So in Android also, you can not measure, but you can understand whether the intensity is less for photo shooting. ये क्या कौन सा मोड होता है कैमरा में?
So auto brightness.
Yes, auto brightness and auto flash. Right? Auto flash में क्या होता है? उसको कैसे पता चलता है कि इंटेंसिटी कम है, फ्लैश देना है? There is a sensor, and that sensor will sense how much intensity you have, outside intensity, how much you have. If it falls below that particular level, then it will flash. It will give the extra amount, right? So that is what the luminous intensity is. And then, yeah, somebody told about the unit as lux, and probably Hindustan Lever Limited was knowing this, and therefore they have created this soap named by lux. I hope everybody knows about this soap. Right?
Yes,
that is connected with the intensity of or the lumina. Okay? So the brightness of your skin will be glowing. That is what they wanted to tell. And unfortunately, people don't know about physics, so they thought about, okay, lux is something brand name. That's it. But lux is basically, it is the unit of intensity, and therefore they have used this particular name. Also, there are different units that measure the luminous intensity, and that is very, very important. Probably, I'm not sure, but probably you might have seen the Baleno. Maruti Suzuki Baleno. So there is a system that if the intensity drops, then the headlights will switch on automatically. So obviously, it is measuring the intensity, outside intensity. There is a kind of lux meter. Okay. Even in your mobile also, if you are reading some text, and if you keep auto brightness, then it will measure what is the brightness outside, and then accordingly it will match the brightness so that it suits to your eyes. That is also there in LED TV. तो LED TV में भी ये होता है, ठीक है? So luminous intensity is everywhere. Only thing is that we don't know. We don't know about it. Okay. Any other application that you want to say, you want to tell? No? ठीक. Now we come back to number 6, and which is amount of substance. Now, what is this amount of substance? What is 1 mole? How do you define this 1 mole? Google and tell me. Next time, keep your notes ready. Yes, anyone? What is the mole?
Avogadro number of atom molecules or ions.
Avogadro number. And how much is this?
6.023 into 10 to the power 23.
So these number of molecules or atoms, right? What are you talking about? It doesn't matter whether it is atom or molecule.
Sir, in case
How to
of
count? Yeah.
in case of compound, it is molecules, and in
Yes.
case of element, it is atom.
Yes, right. But how do you count these many numbers of molecules or atoms? I mean, if you keep on counting 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will take years to measure this 1 mole. How do you count it? Number 1. And secondly, is there any unit? Of course, I mean, if you take these many molecules of, say, carbon, and these many molecules of, say, hydrogen, then obviously hydrogen's weight will be less, carbon's weight will be more. If you take radium, then its weight will be much more. Okay. Yes, Shreya has written clearly. Okay. Do you have something, some unit that you are using, and it has only number of particular things? It doesn't matter what weight it counts. ऐसा कोई यूनिट पता है आपको? इसमें आप सिर्फ नंबर काउंट करते, कोई भी चीज हो, आप सिर्फ नंबर ही देखते, तो पता है? कभी यूज किया है?
So dozen?
Yes, dozen, gross. Dozen. Dozen means 12. Gross means? Gross means
12 dozen.
from
1 gross.
12 dozen. Yes, very right. 144. 12 dozen. So you just count the number. It doesn't matter whether the 12 are bananas, whether the 12 are buses, whether the 12 are people, whether the 12 are, say, the smallest thing. Keys. something like that. Similarly, you have these many atoms or these many molecules. That's it. Now it is easy to count 12. Okay, it doesn't matter if you say 12 pieces of the iron. Okay, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Okay, how about counting this number, which is 10 to the power 23? How do you count it? Okay, as your generation says, sleep over it. ये दिमाग में डाल दो और you can just think about it, and we'll come back to this question once again. Okay. Actually, we should have completed the multipliers. It's okay. I'll just share a video with multipliers. Okay. Now tomorrow, what we are going to do? Just wait a minute.